Hi, I'm Nancy Zawicki, a dietitian for the Northwestern Medicine West Region. Today we're here at Living Well and we're continuing our Quick Bites segments. So today it's spring vegetables and we're featuring green beans. So green beans are really inexpensive right now in the grocery store. I have noticed food prices are going up, so do look for the specials in the produce section so you can continue to buy fresh produce. So right here is our green beans. All I did was wash them first, drained them, put them on a sheet pan with a piece of parchment paper for easy cleanup, and then just put them in here. I patted them dry with a paper towel and just drizzled some olive oil, and then I squeezed fresh lemon on it and some pepper and put them in the oven at 400 degrees. And it takes about 20 minutes in the oven, but you could check them and see what texture they are, how al dente they are to you. And at the end I put a little garlic powder on too, just for flavor. So green beans are very versatile. We're going to put them in a salad today, but you can cook them, and they're low in calories, they're low in fat, no fat, and they're high in fiber as well, and essential nutrients. So that's that, our roasted green beans. And they come in different varieties. There's green beans, they're like snap beans. There's also purple and white. And then we have the French green beans today. They also call them hardcore verts, I want to say. That's what I pronounce it. So our next recipe, we're doing summer salad, niçoise salad. So with that, I'm just using some butter lettuce, just opened it up like that. I boiled the green beans for just a couple minutes, and then I drained them and then put them into a bowl of ice water to stop the cooking. And you can see that they're flexible, but they're not too hard to eat. So that's what we want. And you can cut them up smaller, but I think I'm just gonna top a little bit around here with them. And there we go. All right, and then we're going to just start adding our ingredients. So I think I'm gonna start with the salmon. The salmon I just pan cooked. This is what it looks like. I had two nice fillets, and it's 7 minutes on one side, and then you flip it and it's 3 minutes on the other. And I just put a little bit of pepper and I put a little tiny bit of salt. I'm not a big salt user, but it kind of does help bring out the flavor with some olive oil. So salmon's really good for you. It's omega-3 fatty acids, and if you have them twice a week, you can meet your fish oil needs. So I'm just gonna chop this up a little bit, and then we're just gonna spoon it right onto the salad. I like serving the salad on a flatter plane, so to speak, just because it looks very beautiful and you can see what all the ingredients are in the salad. All right, and then we've got the English cucumber, which I like because it's seedless and you don't even have to peel it. You can just slice it and put it all around. So we'll add that. A lot of people will put cucumber into their water to infuse it, and it gives a real nice fresh smell and taste. So it's really nice. And these two, like this, or if you grow your own cucumber, is really, they're out there now. And then I've got radishes. These radishes I picked up at the store. They were a variety of colors, just kind of cool. And all they said was in the recipe is to just quarter it. So I've got a couple different colors. It adds some nice crunch and different texture, more fiber and nice color. And then I take the corn. I always take it off the cob. I use the corn kernel cutter, my favorite tool, and I just take it all off. I like to just use fresh corn. It adds some crunch and adds some nice color as well. Put that around. There we go. Okay, and then we have some Kalamata olives, just for a little, adds a little saltiness to it and extra flavor. And then the dressing, oh, we've got eggs too, I almost forgot. So I boiled some eggs, and we're just gonna quarter them and put those around, we'll put them just around the edge. And that adds some additional protein besides the salmon. And then we're just gonna do a vinaigrette dressing, which is kind of my old standard. It's just a little olive oil. Today we're using like a white wine vinegar. We've got a little bit of honey. And then I also put a little citrus in here too, and Dijon mustard. And I'm just going to add some fresh parsley too. All right, so now we're just gonna drizzle it. And there you go. So another thing I want to mention too is a lot of people are doing the takeout, the curbside takeout, which is great. You know, we're supporting our restaurants. So at home, we try and do it maybe once every 2 weeks, because what we're finding is we're cooking more and we're trying new recipes and we're like, this is awesome. What are we cooking tonight? But it is really great to support your restaurants because they're really struggling and they want to stay open. But you could do something like this which is like a restaurant quality meal and save some money and do it yourself. But more to follow on how to handle the food safety part of curbside pickup. So anyhow, utilize your fresh vegetables. You've got a lot of color here. You're eating the rainbow, and I hope you try this recipe and enjoy. Thank you.